Well, welcome back, my friends. Okay, raise your hand if you like to move. All right, does anyone really like to move? Nobody likes to move because it's hard, it's stressful, and it's exhausting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are 3 simple tips to make your next move much less stressful. So, tip number 1, take measurements of your new home and then measure your furniture. Oh God, I wish I would have done this. But really, be honest with yourself. Are you going to really take that big, black, ugly entertainment center into your new home? Let's get rid of it before you move. You don't want to have to move anything you're not going to keep in your new home. Trust me, just trust me. All right, so moving is the perfect time to purge through all your belongings. If you don't use an item in your current home, good gosh, chances are you're not going to use it in your new home either. Remember that. Okay, pro tip number 2, use technology. There are so many apps out there that let you create a file for each box and put photos of all the items inside the box. No more trying to figure out what's in this box. That type of game, you're trying to color code a system to keep you to remember where your toaster is. Well, that's just not going to work. Use these apps to organize everything in your timeline, your home inventory, and even find movers in your community. All right, tip 3, go easy on yourself. Remember, no matter how much you streamline the moving process, this is still a stressful time, and you need to support yourself. If this means ordering in and creating a motivated playlist, bribing friends to come help you move, and finally, don't forget, you need to celebrate. Soon as you get that home closed, get everything set up and moved in, this is when you celebrate and let those friends come and join you. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite key realty agent in and around Central Ohio. I am so excited to be serving the amazing people of Columbus, Ohio. So, if you've been thinking about making a move, I can help. I have a free seller's guide and a free buyer's guide that will give you what you want to some much needed questions. After this video, if you would like to get a copy of that, just do so by, email me, text messaging, or DM me. I'll get that right over to you instantly. And of course, as always, we're in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.